Hello everyone, my name is Julian Galdi. I study English level A2 of gymnasium. Number course of 52. For this task, I choose the Green Wall of China because it's a wonderful place in the world. It is localized in China and it was built by Emperor Qin Shi. Has surveyed all his years in good conditions. Questions. Which of the new is the most amazing? Why? I believe that the Green Wall of China because it's most large sculpture in the world and would like to visit someday. What are you doing there? Every year million people visit. It has about 13,000 miles long. These sculptures can be seen from the moon. Also, there are many attractions. What do you like or dislike about? Well, I think so. The Great Wall is so important tourist place. Nowadays, the UNESCO name architectural heritage, and there are many Chinese citizens protecting with help of the Chinese government. How does it make you feel? Well, I feel so great because this place is all in the world, and this summer many people are visiting this place. I consider the Green Wall it is a historical legend, and there are many stories of Chinese culture. That's all. Thank you.